Hello, online marketplace marvels and budding entrepreneurs. Today on our Versla Insight journey, we're diving into an essential yet often overlooked element of establishing your online brand: unique packaging and presentation. Let's gear up as we unpack the secrets behind how striking packaging and compelling presentation can make your brand not just noticed but remembered. In this ultra-competitive digital landscape, the packaging of your product is as crucial as the product itself. Unique, thoughtful packaging not only helps you stand out from the myriad of sellers, but also creates a lasting imprint of your brand in the customer's mind. It could be a small, eco-friendly business choosing biodegradable material to show their commitment to the planet, or a high-end brand opting for luxurious packaging to echo their promise of quality. The unboxing experience is your silent ambassador, subtly conveying your brand values to your customer and adding a dash of extra charm to your product. Now let's delve into presentation. The artful presentation of your product is the final flourish in your brand's grand design. Crisp wrapping, eye-catching labeling, and enticing displays contribute to an aesthetic allure, painting a picture of professionalism and reliability. Imagine a handcrafted piece of jewelry wrapped delicately with a personalized note, or a gourmet food item presented with visually pleasing garnish and labels. Such details spark a connection with your customers, providing an immersive experience that goes well beyond the mere functionality of the product. Imagine combining unique packaging with excellent presentation. What you get is a powerful alliance that can catapult your brand's image to new heights. When your products pop amidst the crowd, customers are not just likely to remember your brand, but they will also associate it with a positive buying experience. This synergy of thoughtful packaging and attractive presentation not only reinforces your brand values, but also elevates the perceived value of your products. Now, if you're sitting there thinking that packaging and presentation are mere secondary considerations, we urge you to think again. These elements are powerful tools that can differentiate your brand from others in a highly saturated online market. By investing in thoughtful, unique packaging and presentation, you're ensuring that your products are not just purchased but remembered. This forms the basis of brand loyalty and ultimately repeat business. We encourage you to reflect on your current packaging and presentation strategies. Is there room for them to be more unique and appealing? Remember, in the age of digital shopping, every element of your product, from the website listing to the moment it arrives in your customer's hands, is part of the customer experience. It's time to let your creative juices flow, be distinctive, and make your brand unforgettable. As we conclude, we hope it was insightful for you as you navigate the journey of building a successful brand on Versla Marketplace. Thank you for watching. We hope you got some helpful tips. Please like and subscribe for more guides, news, and tips from Versla.